Yes, welcome back. It's Rick again. In this video, we are going to try to insert data in our database tables. For example, we shall see users has new data, so I can start with users. So I'll come here and try to put user name, which is admin, for example. Come and say admin plus your email. Example, university, then admin 1 to 3, and these others I will not talk them because they are being they are handled by the database automatically. This is timestamp and this is ID. So I'll come to apply. So it's been applied. We have our person that's logged in at that time. We also have it's not been changed. Okay, we shall change. We shall change to something meaningful. And I'll try to change the column name to something meaningful. Read that. Okay, this is okay. However, yes, perfect. All right, so that's how to insert data using the graphical user interface. Next, we shall try using SQL commands. So I'll come here and I say insert. I use my database. Use my database. And then I say insert into which table you insert into. I'm inserting into users. Inserting fields like which fields, for example, I'm inserting into fields like username, email, password. Username, email, password. So there are certain values like the first value will be there. For example, put user 1, say user 1 at gmail.com, put password 123, and click another user, which user is user 2, user 2, user 2 at hub.ug. But then the password will be 123. That so on executing this query, it should work as expected. Try to clear some here and so we see our data is being rows are being affected, 0 duplicates and 0 ones. So when I run here, see the table, I should be seeing all the information with the ID of increment, date, current date, timestamp, and others. So thank you for watching. Let us see another video where we going to look at deleting from the database, selecting from the database, and also updating the database. All right.